Welcome. In front of me I have the Insta360 X5 and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the camera itself. So let's just get straight into it. Now this is the new product which I think it's being promoted pretty heavily with like the replaceable lenses and whatever. They get scratched up, so that's pretty interesting. Boomer moment, there we go. Took me a moment to figure out how to open it up. So and here we got every moment, any angle, no limit. Okay, it's just a phone. Then we got a camera. Damn, it actually has some heft to it, and it's bigger than I expected. That's what she said. It's not to me. Anyway, next we get we get a nice little carrying case. It's inside. Oh, we get even more. So we have some cloth for cleaning. We have a Type-C to Type-C cable, instruction, and a little pouch for absorbing moisture. Let's yank that off and come on, come on, come on. There we go. 1 and 2. Sweet. So, let's see if I can figure out how to turn it on. There we go, we have the power button. Oh, we actually have 2 buttons right here, physical ones. Okay. Touch display, cool. Next. Please download the Insta360 app in the App Store or Google. How about no? I shouldn't need to download an application to use the fucking device. There's no reason for that. The hardware is right here, just work. Just record. That's all you need to do. Oh, just popped out the battery. I guess that's for the best. God, I hate companies forcing you to use some garbage ass dog shit program or application for a product that you already paid. You don't need my data. I already paid you money for a product, so F off and make this work on its own, like it's supposed to. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. I kind of hate that, to be completely honest, as you can probably tell. There's no reason for this to need an application. It is a camera, for God's sakes. There was a time where cameras could just function as a camera. They didn't need softwares, programs, applications, and connections to function. I can tell you right now, without even downloading this application, that the moment I download it, it's going to tell me that it needs my localization. And without it, it won't work. I don't even need to check to be absolutely 99.999% certain that this will be the case. So yeah, that's about everything that I got for you. One more thing that I should mention is probably the resolutions of this. So at the back, somewhere here, we did have a bit more info. So let's see. Or not. Oh, there we go. So we have, well, technically it's an 8K camera. It records up to 8K footage, but it does it only at 30 frames per second. So for brisky 60 frames, you will need to drop it down to 5.7K. Now, on one hand, it seems like a lower resolution, much lower compared to the 8K, but in general, it is a high resolution. It might not be super, it's definitely higher than, for instance, something like 1080p, right? But I want to point out that this is a cumulative resolution that it's listing for the entire field of view of the camera, front and back. So when you, for instance, think about something like a monitor that is running at 4K and at this, it is high resolution, but I think, I could be wrong about this, the pixel density for footage will be lower than something like an 8K or like a 4K monitor would have, because it is stretching it to be all around you, all encompassing, right? So it has much more surface area, if that makes sense. But yeah, all in all, still fantastic camera. If it didn't require a application to work, there shouldn't be a need for that. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.